Today we are going to understand something that sits right at the heart of digital lending. It's called the Loan Origination System, or LOS. If you ever applied for a loan online and got approved in seconds, it probably felt like magic. But it's not magic. There is a system working quietly in the background, making sure everything is safe, fast, and reliable. My goal in this video is simple. By the end, you should be able to picture the loan journey clearly, from the moment someone says, I need a loan, to the moment the loan is approved and ready to be disbursed. So let's start from the basic. So first, what exactly is an LOS? A loan origination system is a system that manages the loan journey before the money is given out to the customer. From the moment someone applies till the point the loan is approved, the entire journey is handled by LOS. After the loan is approved and disbursed, another system takes over called the Loan Management System, or LMS. LMS handles repayments and EMIs. If we keep it simple, LO is everything before the money, LMS is everything after the money. A simple analogy, LOS is like the airport check-in, security and boarding. LMS is the actual flight. Now that we understand what LOS is, let's walk through how it works. So now we know LOS is responsible for loan process before the money. Let's go step by step and understand how the journey actually happens. There are 6 key steps. Step 1, application intake. This is where everything begins. Customer applies for a loan. It could be on a mobile app, website, a marketplace like Bank Bazaar, through a DSA agent or a bank branch. Here the LOS collects some basic details: name, phone number, PAN, loan amount and loan reason. The most important thing at this stage is to keep it simple. Most people drop off if the form looks long or confusing. So the smart way is to ask the only minimum required information first, build trust, and then go deeper. Once the basic application is captured, the next question is the person who they say they are? Step 2, identity verification. This step makes sure the customer is real and genuine. Common methods: Aadhaar OTP verification, PAN validation, CKYC lookup, DigiLocker document fetch, video KYC with face match. This step protects the lender from identity fraud. Think of it like showing your ID at the airport before you enter the gate. No identity verification, no loan journey. Once we know who the person is, the next question becomes, can they repay the loan? And also, will they repay it? Step 3, credit and financial data. To understand the repayment behavior, LOS looks at 2 things: ability to pay and willingness to pay. Simple way to think about it: ability equals to can they pay, willingness equals to will they pay. For small personal loan, willingness is very important. For big loans like home loans, ability matters more. This is where LOS collects the signals it needs to make a good decision. Now that we have the identity and financial signals, the next step is actual decision. Step 4, decision engine. This is the brain of LOS. It checks for eligibility rules, income, credit score, fraud signals, and risk model. The output is usually one of the following: approved, rejected, ask for more information, or sent to human underwriter for review. This decision often happens under 2 seconds. And that's how instant approval happens. Not magic, just a fast, well-designed decision engine. Once the loan is approved, we need to make the agreement official. Step 5, document and signing. Here the LOS generates the loan agreement and sanction letter. And the customer signs digitally using Aadhaar e-sign, digital signature, or e-stamp. This makes the loan legally valid. And now finally, once everything is in place, step 6, disbursement. The LOS sends the approval to core banking system or loan management system. The money is sent through IMPS, NEFT, UPI, or RTGS. At this moment, LOS has completed its job. From here, LMS handles the repayments end of the loan origination journey. Let's take a simple example. A person applies for 50,000 rupees personal loan on a mobile app. They fill basic details. Aadhaar OTP completes the KYC. Bureau score is 720. Bank statement shows a steady salary. Decision engine approves instantly. Loan agreement is e-signed. Money is disbursed. Total time 60 to 120 seconds. This is LOS working smoothly. So let's recap everything in one line. LOS manages everything before the money is given, from the moment someone applies for a loan to the moment the loan is approved and ready to be disbursed. The entire journey is handled by LOS, It makes sure the person is real, their financial behavior makes sense, the risk is understood, the agreement is legally valid, and the whole experience is smooth and fast. If you understand LOS, you understand the foundation of digital lending. This video is part of my new initiative that I'm starting to help aspiring product managers and people curious about fintech to get a clear understanding of how things actually work in the industry. This is my first video in this journey. I'll be covering many more topics in digital lending, credit systems, risks, and payment. And I'll also be hosting podcasts with people working directly in the fintech ecosystem to bring more real-world insights. So if you found this helpful, I would truly appreciate your support. Subscribe to the channel. Leave a comment and tell me what you'd like to learn next. Your feedback and support means a lot, and it helps me shape what I build next. Thank you for spending your time here. See you in the next